Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Hi guys, guess where we are? Ang laki ko na, be. Ang laki-laki ko na. Uncomfortable. Charot. So, ayan. Hindi kami nakaandar. Nandito kami sa barko, guys. Nasa ano kami, Roro. Ayan. Pupunta kami ng, as usual, Guimaras. Saturday today, weekend. Gusto namin paliguin yung mga bata kasi may mga ubo. Diba? Eh, alam niyo naman kasi, guys, Iloilo, walang medyo maayos na pwedeng pag-anuan ng dagat unless sa mga medyo malayo na part sa mga Aklan, Consolacion, mga San Joaquin siguro may maganda-ganda pang dagat. Anyway, so gusto kasi namin yung malinis talaga na dagat. And at least makakatagal sila ligo. Tapos, ayan, maghahanap kami ng ng fishing spot for daddy. Mapapagtambayan namin that we can stand by. After the kids take shower. Take shower? Swim pala. Aryan! Mabait naman ng anak ko, guys. Ang init kasi. Ang init na talaga yung AC namin. Hindi na talaga siya malamig. So, nakakaaway mga bata. Thank God, oh. See, there's no sun, right? Really thank God that the sun is really not too much out. But yung humid lang talaga. Who is that? You want to borrow mama phone? I'll borrow ikaw mama phone. Wait lang because I need to...
Telephone?
Telephone? Oh, I put... So, ayan. Alis ng ating barko. Hi guys. Ano muna kami? Daan muna kami sa... dito. Nag-lunch break muna kami kasi medyo malayo-layo pa kami. Biyahe.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are... Standing underneath the lights, look into each other's eyes. Tired snowflakes are coming down, collapse into water when they hit the ground. I hear the sound of...
One eternity later.
Hi guys! So ayan, finally we're here. Hindi ko alam kung pwede yung phone. Siguro hindi na lang phone. Iwan ko na lang siguro tong phone. We're here sa resort. So nakakuha kami ng kwarto. Good thing. Naabutan namin na may kwarto. Actually, puno sila guys. Ito na lang. Palagi kami na Palagi kami natatimingan na may kwarto. Ano lang sila, Aryan? Ito na lang. Ayan, oh. Ayun sila, Aryan, guys. Look. Guys, look at us. Tatan! Ayan, look at us mga besyo. Iba na itong pinuntahan namin guys this time. Kasi palagi na lang kami dun sa Alubihod, dun sa kabila. This time, nag-try naman kami ng iba. Meron silang volleyball doon. Ano siya guys, parang ano kasi siya private resort. So, walang tao. Enjoying mo, huh? Nice? Nice, right?
I got nothing to worry about. I'm by my side. I got nothing to worry about when you're by my side. I looked out and I saw the rain. I wanted it to go away. I felt the weight of it all come down. days from the deafening sound. But you were there, holding my hand.
Ayun guys, doon naman kami sa pool. Nag-transfer kami sa pool. Ayan. By the way, ano siya guys? Salty water. Yung pool niya. Ayan. Pwede. Over there. Ayun pala. Ayun. Ayan. So, ligo-ligo muna kami.
2 hours later.
Ngayon guys, nasa kwarto na kami kasi nagpahinga na kami. You had good time, huh? Nagligo. Swimming ka? Did you swim? Anyway, simple lang yung kwarto guys, by the way. Hindi siya, wala siyang TV. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Ayan. Wala siyang TV, wala lang, simple. Just here to relax. No internet, diba? Walang internet. No internet, daddy, by the way.
Talk with your spouse.
With your husband, with your wife, with your kids.
Maybe you can ask your wife, how are you?
How are you, daddy?
How are you? How you been? How are you been?
What you do? If you get plans. It's rolling. Nice. This is nice if it's a pool, daddy. But this side, they make a dipping pool, right? Why they didn't make it?
They were waiting your advice.
Alam niyo ba guys, ang laki ng resort. Ang laki-laki ng property nila, oh. Tapos nandun yung dagat. Laki. Time check, it's 5:30. Mag-order na ako ng dinner para kasi feeling ko puno kasi sila eh. Baka ma-late yung pagluto. Gutom na kami.
I've been lying here for too long. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running in circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can.
And guys, bago mag-dinner, kasi naka-pre-order na ako ng food. Wait na namin maluto. Mag-fishing si daddy. Watch namin si daddy mag-fishing.
Just watch.
Yeah. Where's daddy? Let's look for daddy. Ta-da! Daddy's there. Arya, be careful. Come. Shh. Ayan, come. Sarap pala mag-ano ng fishing, guys, no? Nakaka-relax. Ang ganda ng ambience. Tapos, yeah, the sound of the waves hitting the rocks. The sound of the waves hitting the rock, guys. Nakaka-relax. Dito lang kami. O, yan. Upo lang kami. Tapos sila daddy doon. Nag-fishing siya. So, wait lang kami ng dinner. Kasi in-order ko na, nag-pre-order na ako ng dinner. Mga 6:30 pa. 6:45. Sabi ko, mag-fishing muna si daddy. Ayan yung name ng resort, guys. Say hi. Say hi to them. Hi. Ayan. Oh, say hi. 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 Say hi. Shh. Say hi. Say hi.
Are you boy? I hope that I would.
2 hours later.
Guys, ang laki ko na. Oh my gosh. Dinner tayo, guys. Baka makapirate ako. In fairness, sa sarap ang food nila. Nag-ano na ako. Ang tawag ito, crispy pata. Sinigang na fish. Tsaka fried chicken lang. Tsaka grilled fish.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on